Hello, this is Capital Luxury. Welcome to this channel. Keep watching if you want to hear more. Despite the downturn in Rolex watch prices, the market for vintage and rare timepieces has seen an unprecedented surge in value for certain other brands. While Rolex has experienced price declines, collectors and investors are increasingly turning their attention to niche and historically significant watchmakers. Brands such as Patek Philippe and Audemars Piguet have witnessed significant appreciation in the value of their vintage models, sometimes fetching prices that rival or surpass those of highly sought-after Rolex watches. This shift in market dynamics underscores the evolving preferences of watch enthusiasts, signaling a new era of value appreciation for a broader spectrum of high-end timepieces. In this video presented by Capital Luxury, we'll delve into the factors behind Rolex's price declines. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we encourage you to do so to stay informed about our upcoming videos. In recent months, the resale market for pre-owned Rolex watches has experienced a decline, contrasting with the resilience of entry-level models and brands like Cartier and Omega. Data from the Bloomberg Subdial Watch Index indicates a 2.2% decrease in the indicator for Rolex timepieces in September, while a separate index covering 100 entry-level watches priced below $9,120 recorded only a 0.8% drop over the same period. This disparity highlights the differing trends between the upper echelons of the luxury watch market and the more accessible segments, suggesting that collectors are proceeding with caution when investing in the highly publicized models offered by top Swiss brands, even after notable price spikes in 2021 and early 2022. The secondary market for pre-owned Rolex, Patek, and other renowned models witnessed unprecedented peaks during the pandemic, but a significant retreat began in April 2022, linked to elevated interest rates and cryptocurrency downturns. This decline can be attributed to various factors, including increased supply and changing consumer spending patterns. Despite the decrease in demand, Rolex has maintained an unprecedented level of watch supply, with plans to increase shipments in the coming months, particularly in the Asian market. The burgeoning affluence in countries like China and India has fueled a desire for high-end watches like Rolex, driving the growth of the Asian luxury watch market. The collapse of the luxury watch market during the pandemic saw a surge followed by a sharp decline in demand and prices, particularly for Rolex professional models. Competitive pricing and the increasing availability of certified pre-owned Rolex watches have contributed to this decline, creating a favorable environment for buyers and facilitating a gradual market recovery. Rolex's future strategy involves expanding supply, focusing on the Asian market, and introducing a certified pre-owned program to adapt to changing market dynamics. While short-term price declines may persist, the long-term outlook for Rolex remains positive due to its esteemed brand reputation and history of crafting high-quality watches. From the onset of the pandemic, and particularly in the last 8 months, resale prices for the most sought-after modern Rolex models have continued to climb. However, it now seems that this upward trend has reached its culmination point, perhaps inevitably. All the models that were excessively hyped and pumped up, those are the ones that have seen the most significant softening, explains Paul Altieri, the founder of Bob's Watches, an online retailer specializing in pre-owned Rolex models. If a watch was priced at $10,000 in October and surged to $15,000 by May, the fact that they've now settled back to $11,000 or $12,000, that's more in line with where they should have been. Altieri attributes this softening to the negative sentiment triggered by declines in the stock market. He points to the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona Refer 116500 as a prime example. Introduced in 2016 with a retail price of $14,550, this model soared in value to as much as $50,000 on secondary channels as recently as May. Currently, it's down to about $42,000 to $44,000, notes Altieri. That's the one that has experienced the most significant movement. However, in the past month, prices for other highly desired Rolex steel models have also seen a decline, particularly the Oyster Perpetuals with colorful dials, introduced in September 2020 at a retail price of $5,600, reached a peak value of around $17,500 in April before stabilizing around $14,000 in June. It's not just Rolex feeling the correction in the secondary market. Certain Audemars Piguet Royal Oak and Patek Philippe Nautilus models have also seen declines of as much as 20 to 30% since April, according to Eric Koo, a well-known vintage dealer and co-founder of the watch auction website Loupe. This is Jean-Philippe Bertschy, managing director at the Swiss investment management group Vontobel, points out a correlation between the recent cryptocurrency collapse and the subsequent price decrease in luxury watches. He also acknowledges that prices were inflated, particularly for steel watches, due to hype and speculation. Nevertheless, there's no cause for alarm. Altieri describes this as a normal market correction. When you walk into a Rolex authorized dealer and they have zero stock, they still have a supply problem, and that hasn't disappeared. This is just a minor softening, generally 5 to 15% and not across the board. Some of the models that were overpriced are now coming back to more reasonable levels. Despite these fluctuations, there are still examples of pieces commanding top dollar. Koo mentions selling a new left-handed Rolex GMT for $38,500 in late June, significantly above its retail price of $11,050. Global market trends are a factor for falling prices. The luxury watch market is characterized by premium pricing and the use of high-quality materials, often featuring advanced and intricate dials, with many watches being handmade to ensure authenticity and uniqueness. Luxury watch manufacturers prioritize meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail to deliver superior quality and performance in their products. The global luxury watch market is witnessing growth driven by an increasing number of consumers opting for luxury timepieces, drawn to their precision craftsmanship and distinctive style, especially from limited collections. To maintain exclusivity and uphold high-quality standards, many luxury watch brands limit their annual production, thereby enhancing the allure of their products. Customization is emerging as a significant trend, with personalized dials, engravings, and custom straps adding value and uniqueness to luxury watches, appealing to a global customer base. Moreover, the popularity of gifting customized luxury watches is contributing to market growth. Another trend gaining traction is the concept of couple luxury watches, with key players introducing matching couples timepieces, offering aesthetic coherence and often providing discounts compared to purchasing two separate watches. The luxury watch market is segmented based on product into electronic and mechanical categories, and distribution channels include offline and online platforms. Regionally, the market spans North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, Latin America, and the Middle East and Africa. Electronic luxury watches hold a significant share of the market, driven by growing demand for features such as heart rate monitoring, multi-sport tracking, and GPS capabilities. However, mechanical luxury watches are expected to experience rapid growth in the coming years due to their appeal as fashion statements. Online distribution channels are gaining prominence, offering convenience and accessibility to a wide range of customers, while offline outlets remain limited in reach. Major players in the luxury watch market include Rolex SA, the Swatch Group Limited, Fossil Group Inc., Audemars Piguet Holding SA, and others. The market landscape is characterized by competition, with companies focusing on product innovation, strategic investments, and expansion plans to maintain their competitive edge. This comprehensive assessment of the luxury watch market provides valuable insights into industry trends, competitive dynamics, and future growth prospects, helping stakeholders make informed decisions and stay ahead in the evolving market landscape. In the broader perspective, analysts familiar with the luxury watch market emphasize that the significant story lies in the ongoing polarization of the market, where a few dominant brands continue to strengthen, often at the expense of others. When we talk about the Swiss watch industry, we're talking about a few very strong brands performing exceptionally well, says Bertschy. For these brands, which have waiting lists and are in high demand, they will sell their watches. For others, I'm more cautious. Looking ahead, the luxury watch market remains dynamic and resilient, fueled by global trends such as customization, couple luxury watches, and the integration of innovative features. While certain brands may face challenges, others are poised to thrive, leveraging innovation and exclusivity to maintain their competitive edge. At Capital Luxury, we're committed to keeping you informed about the latest developments in the world of luxury timepieces. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful analyses and updates. Until next time, may your watches keep impeccable time and your collections continue to inspire admiration. Thank you for watching.